Having doubts while studying? Don't worry. Hey guys, this is Vaishno and welcome to my YouTube channel Study to Learn. Today's session is about AWT. So let's start. Basically, AWT is a collection of built-in classes, interfaces and methods which allow us to design and manage GUI application. With the help of AWT, we can also create standalone as well as web applications. In Java, AWT is a predefined package. So, in import section of a program, we just have to add java.awt package to use AWT classes. AWT classes provide several window controls just like label, button, checkbox, list, choice, menu and many more. Our next topic is hierarchy of AWT. As you can see on the screen, here are so many elements in the diagram. So, we will see each and every element in the hierarchy one by one. First element is component class, which is topmost class of AWT hierarchy. Component class is abstract class which encapsulates all visual components. Object of component class is responsible for remembering foreground and background color and fonts. All GUI components are subclasses of component class. Next element is container, which is subclass of component class. This is responsible for laying out GUI components with the help of layout manager. We will discuss all layout manager in the upcoming sessions. Container is used to hold GUI component and it inherits all the methods of component class with its own methods. Window class creates a top level window which is used for standalone applications. We cannot create object of window class directly, but we can create object by using its subclass frame. Frame is a standalone window and subclass of window class which has title bar, border, menu bar and resizing corner. On the other hand, panel is a superclass of applet, which is a group of components and can be used inside a frame or applet class. By default, panel does not have title bar, border, menu bar and resizing corners. At the end of today's session, we will see some MCQs. Our first question is, which is used to represent a GUI application window and which is resizable and have title bar, menus, border. So answer is frame. AWT classes are contained in which package? Answer of this question is java.awt. Next question is, AWT is used for creating a GUI in Java. So AWT stands for, answer is abstract windowing toolkit. Next question is, the AWT container is an instance of which class which hold various components and other containers. Answer is container. Next question is, frame is a standard window which is of window class from AWT hierarchy. The answer is subclass. At the top of the AWT hierarchy is the which class? Answer is component class.